Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to zoom in on Capcut PC. So let's begin. First of all, you need to drag down your video to the Capcut timeline, and here you need to right click on the video. Then here you need to select basic, and in basic, in front of position and size, you need to enable add keyframe. After that, you have to go to the main point where you want to zoom out or zoom in, and here you need to adjust your video like this and like this. And here you can see that my video has been zoom in, and in this way you can also zoom in your video or image in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.